Everyone connected with Shriners Hospitals for Children knows we provide quality, compassionate care that impacts and changes lives. However, the effect of our efforts becomes most clear when our patients and families share their stories, share what Shriners Hospitals for Children has meant in their lives. These are the stories that are the most meaningful, touch our hearts and souls, and inspire us to want to do more. 10 years ago, Madelyn, whom you will meet in a moment, inspired me to find a way to do more than these brave children who want and love to share their stories as a way of thanking our healthcare system. When Jeff and I met Madelyn and her parents at a donor event, she told us how much she enjoyed both talking to people in her local St. Louis community about Shriners Hospitals and working with the local Shriners Temple. She loved the hospital and wanted to share her story with the world. Madelyn just wished she could have a special badge or shirt to wear indicating that she was a patient ambassador for Shriners Hospitals for Children. She was very proud of her role. I have never forgotten that visit with Madelyn.
We were at the Kansas Shrine Bowl, and Cheryl was talking with my mom about having the opportunity to bring awareness about the Patient Ambassador Program. And Cheryl quickly began to become emotional whenever we were sharing with her about everything, the confidence that I have, the ability to tell people my story and not be shy and scared about it. Cheryl takes the time to build a connection with each and every patient that she comes in contact with, and I aspire to be that person that brings kindness and finds joy in every single point in their life.
Her pride and enthusiasm inspired me to choose the Patient Ambassador Program as my fundraising effort this year. Madelyn has been serving her beloved hospital as a patient ambassador for the past several years. The local Patient Ambassador Program has come a long way since 2009, but we can do more. The strength of our patients, shared through their stories, connects and resonates with new families that may need our care, donors who want to support our mission, and with men who discover they want to join the fraternity that began this incredible philanthropy.
Well, I'm very proud of Cheryl for choosing this program. I can tell you, she identified this program about 8-10 years ago when we were interested in getting some patient ambassadors to come speak in Kansas. And from that point on, she said, when we get there, this is going to be my program because nobody can tell the story better than one of our own patients. And that's where we're at today, and it's going to be a great success.
Our wonderful patients who want to share their stories, our patient ambassadors, truly are the heroes of our healthcare system. They give hope and inspiration to others and reinforce the message that Shriners Hospitals for Children provides life-changing care. As First Lady, I want to strengthen our Patient Ambassador Program and give these amazing children the opportunity to take their passion for sharing their love and appreciation for Shriners Hospitals to the next level. My program, Heroes Among Us, will establish a more structured, supportive, system-wide Patient Ambassador Program that will be managed through the marketing and communication departments at each Shriners Hospital location. As part of the program, hospitals will host events that assist the new ambassadors with public speaking, keep them abreast of the official messages to emphasize when they make appearances and presentations on behalf of Shriners Hospitals, and connect them with other ambassadors who can encourage them and provide mentoring. Some specific and timely topics that will be included in the Patient Ambassador training are media interviews with time to practice, professional level presentations, and ability awareness and anti-bullying programs for schools. The ambassadors will receive special name tags and apparel that identifies them as our patient ambassadors. The Heroes Among Us program will help provide these amazing kids with skills that will benefit them throughout their lives, including developing effective public speaking techniques. They tell the Shriners Hospitals for Children story better than anyone else can, so let's recognize, encourage, and empower them. This results-oriented program will provide many opportunities for these generous children as it connects them with community needs and activities.
Today was really awesome. We had a patient ambassador training program, and it was really cool to see the kids blossom as the day went on and really gain confidence in their speaking skills.
I'm a patient ambassador of Shriners Hospital for Children because my legs were like this when I was born, and Shriners helped me so that I can walk straight.
We've had great advice from news anchors on how to prepare for an interview such as this, or even print interviews.
The kids need help coming out of their shell, like my daughter. Their disability makes them feel sometimes uncomfortable around people.
Today it helped me really be confident. I won't be nervous now.
The value that I see is it gives them not just the ability to tell the story about Shriners, but it gives them life skills that they're going to need when they get older.
I would like to say to the First Lady, thank you for everything that she has done today in terms of putting this event on, and it really has changed my perspective.
Well, I feel like Cheryl, she's really bringing alive the idea to these young children how to give back to a hospital, an organization that gives so freely. So we're teaching some really great values and some morals that I feel the children will benefit from, and hopefully in turn when they become adults and they have their own families, they'll be willing and happy to give back.
Bringing Shriners Hospitals for Children patients' healthcare journeys to life is one of the most important things we can do right now for our system. Sharing these stories with those who are committed to the goals of our organizations is essential. As I mentioned before, our heroes' stories can inspire and encourage families that are seeking care, potential donors, and even those who might consider joining the fraternity that had the vision to create our unique healthcare system and continue to support it today.
It has been a passion of mine to have this program come to fruition. These children have wonderful stories to tell.
Please support the Heroes Among Us and this program by purchasing a unique necktie or bow tie, a beautiful bracelet bead, or a gorgeous snap necklace featuring angel wings. Each item is $40. Your generosity will allow us to express our endless gratitude, encourage and educate the amazing heroes among us. We are so honored and proud to have them in our Shriners family, and we are inspired by their generosity and courage every single day. For more information about this program, please visit the link on your screen. Thank you.